Oh. Alright, so this video is for the girls in the back who's having a little bit of trouble keeping up and they want a little slower version. This is for you, my babes. Love you. Alright, so now just let me go ahead and break this down, baby. This dance is not supposed to be shuffling or gliding across the floor. This dance was made for like if you was in a tight spot. You can't move like at trail rides or like a big family function. This is a great dance to do. Alright, so I'm gonna break it down for you step by step and then we're gonna add the music later. So I'm gonna turn away from the camera just to break it down. Alright, so it's gonna start with a little quick march. It's gonna be right, left, right, right. And what you do to one leg, you'll have to do the other leg. So left, right, left, left. All right, we're gonna put that together. Do it again. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Now with the feet, the next part is gonna be like a little quick triangle. It's gonna be forward, side, back, side. All right, again, forward, side, back, side. Now from the top, we're gonna put them together. So it'll be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, front, side, back, side. All right, now from this position, you're gonna take your leg and you're gonna cross it over with the right and then step out with the left. And what you do to one, you gotta do to the other. So step over with the left and step back out with the right. All right, I'm gonna show you that part again. You step over with the right, step out with the left, step over with the left, step out with the right. So you're stepping in front of your other foot. So from the top, go add it together. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, front, side, back, side, cross over, step out, cross over, step out. All right, the next part, you're gonna step with your right leg in front of you. So you're gonna step and you're gonna turn to your right. All right, now if you gotta keep the beat with your feet, so you're gonna step and turn, tap 2 times if you have to. If you feel like you don't have to do it or tap, do you, sis? So you're gonna step up, turn to the right. Now you did that side, now you gotta do the other leg. So you're gonna step with the left, and you're gonna turn all the way to your back side. Okay? So from that part again, you're gonna step with the right, turn to the right. You're gonna step with the left, turn to your left, all the way to your back side. Got that part? Together, it's going to be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, front, back, side, back, cross over, then right foot, turn to the right, left foot, turn to the opposite side, your back side, and then with the next part, you're going to walk up 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to ride with your right leg or a hump, whatever you feel that's comfortable for you. So the right leg is going to be 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, all together. It's going to be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, front, side, back, side, cross over, right foot, turn to the right, left foot, turn to your back side, 1, 2, 3, 4, ride, 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 ride. Now I'm gonna do it with the music. In the one time. I got my boots on the ground. I got my boots on the ground. Hello, hello, hello.
Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Give me one time. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Yeah. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Where them fans at? Get up by your seat. Let your body move. Cowboys and cowgirls, they feeling that groove. Sipping on moonshine, fire barrel rolling. I'ma get behind that thing, girl, and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Whoa, oh, 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 got my boots on the ground. Yes, sir. Lord have mercy. Oh, 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 got my boots